how to make a homemade candle or a recycled candle. It's really easy. Have you ever happened that you lighting a candle and then the rest of this candle smells so good and you want to use it? I'm going to teach you how do you use this rest. What we need first, a wick candle. You can use a used candle and take the wick from this candle, or use a wood with wax candle. Then you need a container or something that you can use like a container. And ready. If you don't have enough wax to make your candle, you can use a new candle and use the wax, the paraffin. This is wax candle. So scrap the candle and you have this thing. This white thing is paraffin or wax candle. First step, put in the container an amount of paraffin or wax candle. And then put in the candle wick and then fill it with the rest of the wax. You can use every single color or candle that you have in your home, so never mind about the color. The important is that you like the smell. Little by little, step by step, we are going to fill the container with this rest of the candle. Our color make our own design. This is an example of my candle. To the end, fill to the top. I mean, you need the wick candle and lightening. Really smells so good. I hope that you like this video, share and give some love to the channel, so please subscribe. Okay, I hope that you like this video. See you soon in the next video or next tutorial. Goodbye.